Hi there, my name is Rigden. I'm a game designer in residence at the London College of Communication. Currently working on a project known as The Rig, which is a narrative immersive experience where the player talks to different characters inside a disused oil rig, which is used as this colony for people facing in a post-apocalyptic crisis. The main experience of the game will be talking to these different characters, figuring out whether leaving or staying inside the colony is the right idea.
Hi, I'm Anukriti Gupta. I'm a game designer in residence here at UAL LCC. The title of my project is Navaroud. It's a fictional name for a fictional state in India. It's about the colonial period in India, so from 1700s to the 1900s. And I'm sort of following India missing the Industrial Revolution and how the dynamics of Britain and India came to be from there. The inspiration of the project came from looking into a specific type of board game. It's called a Euro game or a European game. And those games are inspired by this time period where it's sort of glamorized going into these faraway lands and exploring. And so I was like, okay, let's do the other side of it. Let's make the game where you have to deal with the consequences of exploiting a land.
One amazing thing is I can experiment with my own skill set as a designer. So while I typically focus on creating environments and doing level design, focusing this game, I wanted to solely go into narrative only, which is not an area I've typically explored before. And being able to use this project to learn a new core skill set in game design was so important for me.
What was really important to me was to sort of showcase game design as not just play and fun. This is a very valid medium of storytelling. It's really important to me to sort of explore that. If we can't deal with serious topics in games, then we're sort of diminishing the seriousness of the medium.
The big thing about game design to me is making sure that you get as many eyes on it as possible so that you can, adapt and adjust whenever you need to.
You have exposure to both the BA cohort and the MA cohort of game design. So you can bring it to students who are currently in the same sort of boat as you.
Working in a small team for a game that everyone is passionate about, we're mostly looking to make sure everything is good. Instead of looking for a minimum viable product, we're looking for a final piece that people are genuinely proud to say that they worked on. And I think that's such a core element as being a project manager for this, instead of being a solo developer.
Having the support and having financial backing on doing whatever you're doing, it's kind of like you get to live out your sort of artistic dream of going for what you want. If I want to make this game, I can make exactly what I want, and I don't have to worry about, if I don't do it this way, I'll lose my grant, or if I don't do it this way, my employer will be mad.
Someone just gets to create their own game with their own vision and not have to worry about the stress of dealing with publishers or stakeholders, that kind of thing. Using this as a leap point for being a student who's recently graduated to looking into getting into the games industry, that was an amazing part of this.
You can't just walk into video game conferences or events and just expect to get your industry connections. Getting that residency means that the university is investing in your ideas and your position, which the industry responds to. If they see you as a dedicated, hardworking residency student who's gotten this project done, they will be more receptive to you.
Getting into the industry is the big things for games. Now that I'm in it, I feel like I've got that level of understanding for what I want to go next in my game dev journey, and it's been perfect for that. So ultimately, taking this game forward, we already have some amazing plans for the next couple of months. We're looking for a Steam release eventually, and with that, we want to basically go to publishers afterwards, see if anyone's interested and if they'll buy, and then from that experience, maybe, who knows, create our own studio at some point. That'd be an amazing experience as well.
Working on one idea for 12 weeks, you sort of get a sense of what works and what doesn't. From the residency, I'm going to take everything that I've learned and all the research that I've done into a research proposal for a PhD. So that is a very tangible thing that I've gotten out of the residency. But other than that, it's just opened my eyes up to like, there is like no hidden corners in game design. Every idea that you've done, there is a multitude of research behind it, and you can really just go for it.